markets go up. The left side of a market would be a market like this, is where you come down, you come up, but you fell back below it. That's the downtrend market. That's the left side, the right side. And if I'm trading on the outside of that trend line at consolidation, I'm getting net long back up here to 113 in the equity. And the equity right now at a closing price of 107.70. That's a $6 move up there, which on the other hand would actually produce a deflated call, 110 call contract that is deflated, and with the equity going higher, we get premium value going higher in value, and we buy down here. We already did. Ha ha. I love to buy here. I don't like to buy up here. I never do. That's for the retail public. That's all they know how to do. They think that that was the final low. No, it wasn't. This was. But everybody bought it and held it, and then they got creamed on the earnings, and that's the real low. They're never going to print you and open an option at the real price of deflated or inflated. There's always a secondary price behind the original lows where they open them, or where they pull back to. They opened it up here and sold it short to here on the option, and then bam, this is where it's been the best buying opportunity in the option in NFLX. There's been no other better buying opportunity in the 110 call than here right now, because that's the truth, and that's what we do at stockmarketpunting.com. And if that's something that you would like to learn how to do, then I suggest you get over here and get in a free 5-day trial. And the SMF firm will also provide you with trading capital regardless of your experience. You don't have to have any experience. Why? Because I'll show you why. You'll be using our mathematical platform. We own this. The public doesn't get to use this. Only the people in the school and who are SMF market makers get this platform, because that's what it is, and that's what makes the money, is this here, and it's all math. It's everything. Find out more about it. It'll blow your mind. If you have an opinion about the video, I wouldn't have an opinion if I were you. I'd come and see it, and then I would have an opinion. So basically, the reason why we provide trading capital is because we have our own proprietary platform, and no one else has one like it. And what it does is it can take somebody that's never traded in their life, never even made a buy or sell, and make money. So we got the platform behind it. We've got our training behind the platform. We've got the mathematical trading system that works at all different kinds of price levels. We've got all kinds of features. We've got voice of features. We've got command. We have our own everything here. All our chart tools are right here, but they're programmed into this pricing mechanism. They're not the public ones. They're rewritten mathematically. These are our own indicators that we wrote. And we wrote all of them, and we've got pattern recognition is market maker dollar price movement recognition. They got all the stuff that they need here in this system, everything, and a lot more. They've got all of these exponential moving averages. They've got everything within the system here. That's your standard stuff that's in the app, and we own the application. We don't lease this from someone. We own it. It's ours, and everything in it is ours, and everything about it is proprietary. We do not sell the application to the public. Make that clear right now. For any price. Only SMFT. We even have our own Forex application here. So basically, the system is going to allow them to buy this deflated call, and I will be giving bids out tomorrow morning. And not only that, when the equity wants to go higher in price, they're going to trade the equity using their 3-minute charts on their platform. And here's a 3-minute chart right here. Let me take out the brain so people can see this is how Netflix moved off the bottoms in our platform. Okay? Because it did. And basically, you can see how that big move was made. Then when I get the rest of it over here in the video, you can see where the prices were failing as well. So you make a big move off the bottom and you make a nice intraday short position. That way you're getting profits that way and you're getting profits this way. That's what an SMF MMT does, folks. And it's all mathematical. You got your gauges that's within this brain that's programmed in here to our system. This is not stock market prices here. Stock market prices are over there. You're trading what's in here, not over here. Prices are made in our system before they even hit those levels, and the SMF MMT is quite aware of how glorious it is to have the brain. And these are all our pricing mechanisms within the structure. Positive and negative movements. And it's pure 100% works. That's why it's not sold to the public. You don't have to sell success, my friends. But rather, if you want to come and be a MMT, a market maker, then I get on board right now here at SMF Street. So that's the Netflix trade. We're going to be using the equity, meaning that we're going to go. So if I'm buying the calls at the bottom, I'm going to go long the equity. So I get paid twice. I make money on my calls and I make money on the equity. I get paid twice. I get two trading SMF trading debits made at the same time, called two stockmarketpending.com positive debits that go into the debit trader account, or the MMT account rather. But anyway, we're going to be trading this one long.